A gaming device that holds more battery power than most gaming laptops fits in your hands and is finally about to ship. And if you did not order one in time, you may never get the chance again. Like, share and subscribe, because this update changes everything for handheld gaming fans. Ayaneo just dropped the shipping schedule for two of its most anticipated Windows gaming handhelds, the Next 2 and the Konkr Fit, and the timeline is tighter than anyone expected. The Next 2 was revealed in December. It runs full Windows, which means you can play any PC game, not just a limited library. It carries a 115 watt-hour battery. Most gaming laptops carry around 60 to 80, and it comes with a 9-inch OLED display, the kind of screen that makes colors pop and blacks look truly black. Now here's the timeline. The key components, the motherboard, the screen, the battery are already in production. Trial production begins in early June. Mass production kicks off mid-June. First shipments go out to Indiegogo backers in late June. Indiegogo is a crowdfunding platform. These are the people who backed the device early and locked in their orders before anyone else. And that brings us to the part that stings. Ayaneo closed new orders on March 23rd. The company has officially stated it cannot guarantee additional production for new customers. If you missed the window, your only option right now is to contact Ayaneo customer support, register your preferred model and color, and wait. They say they will notify some customers if new order slots open up, but they are making no promises. The second device in this update is the Konkr Fit, a more compact Windows handheld for users who want portability without the large screen of the Next 2. Ayaneo says the Konkr Fit enters production by end of May, putting it on a similar shipping track for June. Two premium Windows handhelds, both shipping in June, one already sold out. The real question is not when they ship, it is whether Ayaneo will open a second production run before a competitor beats them to it. That answer could change everything.